Wait, yeah.
Good morning, afternoon. It's like noon. We're hanging out this morning, getting things done. Finishing up these eggs. Abram wanted rainbow eggs. They're just sitting in there warming up. We have transformed Andreas's dad's room, where he was living, into kind of a homeschool room. Abram and Marcus has been doing ABC Mouse, so we're going to have a computer for him on this desk. But Seth and Lucas have their computers. This bed is going to be gone, and this is just going to be like a workroom. They will need to do schoolwork, do Boy Scouts, because they have some merit badges they need to do, and practice band. So that's what's going to happen in that room. Abram, are you ready to eat your rainbow eggs? All right, let's do it. Anyways, I'm going to try to get out of the house for a little bit with the littles. And the big boys are going to get to try to do a bunch of work on the computer. Hashtag homeschooling. I mean, they're homeschooling. I'm not homeschooling. I'm not doing anything. Anyways, I'll take you guys along with me today and show you what I do. We made it out to Latta Plantation. The nature center's closed, the bathrooms are closed, but this trail, which is wide enough for a car, I mean, check this out, flat and wide. Pretty easy for a stroller. It's a little muddy. But this trail's really nice and it leads out to the water. So we're just gonna enjoy the afternoon out here. Lucas is pushing the kids. Seth stayed home. Andreas is working, but this is what we're doing. Today is March 25th. Oh my goodness, I said it's a little muddy. It's kind of a lot muddy. But there's car tracks on here, so I wonder if maybe the park rangers come out here on this road. Anyways, we're gonna hit these trails over here. Oh, I need to start my trail app. I'm not getting credit for any of these steps.
Oh my goodness.
Does it even matter? Like, does it even count if you're not tracking it on your phone? Anyways, yeah, I'll just show you guys when we get out to the water how pretty it is. Are you ready, Abram? Abram already took a nap. You ready, buddy? Yes, I can look that up. All right, so the first part of the trail where Lucas pushed was really muddy. This part, not so much. He's like, you can push now, and it was like super easy now. But we're gonna park the stroller up here at the top and head down to the water. You can see the water out there. You ready, Marcus? Abram, you head down to the water and see?
Yeah.
Do you want to take a few rocks down there?
Yeah, but there's boats that have a motor on them.
So there's paddle boats, and there's just boats.
Mommy.
What?
So, what are those boats that like have a motor on the back of them?
It's a boat. What do you think? Do you like the view, Abram? Yeah. So Lucas is finding some rocks to throw with his slingshot, and we're just enjoying the weather. What do you think, Marcus?
Oh, Mom.
I didn't see it.
It's about 100 meters.
Very cool. It's awesome.
Do you want to battle me?
No. Are you catching Pokemon?
That's just a big rock.
A big rock. What do you have, Abram? An apple. You're so cute.
That was really good.
Where is it? Can I have a bite?
No.
No.
Just not.
You're not going to share with me? Abram's just climbing on the big rock.
I need like small, like spear.
Circle ones. Okay.
Pokemon Go.
Okay, I'm going to battle Marcus in Pokemon Go. Lucas is practicing with his slingshot, which is this perfect place because you can see how far it goes. There's no trees in the way.
My luck. Who I'm
It's pretty cool.
use first.
Oh, wow. Okay, let me get my Pokemon up. Do I have to go find you? Hold on.
Yeah.
Guys, there's like water down here and we're trying to walk around and Marcus is like walking right by the edge. I'll get you a new apple.
A new apple.
Go up to that bench. Go back to the bench. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. We were really cute. We were out on that rock that's behind us and we're kind of sitting on it. And I was like, I'm feeling all kinds of stress and anxiety about my kids falling from this point. So we're going back to safety. Go back in there. Go up to the bench. No, up over here. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's more to the trail and there's another little spot with water. So I think we're going to be moving that way. Whew. Stressing me out. There's Marcus. Marcus, I didn't see you. All right. I don't even know if I recorded anything while we were over at that other spot because Marcus and Abram were making me so anxious. When we were at where the bench is, like I was fine because there was a little fence. And then we took a walk to try to get closer to the water. And I just could, stressing me out. I just kept seeing like them like falling off the rock in my head. And I was like, we got to stop this. So now we're at another spot. Lucas is way up there with Marcus and Abram. And hopefully we can throw some rocks in the water, but it won't be as far down to the water at this spot. Let's see if it's over there. I'm sad that I haven't been out here more this year. We got out here a lot last winter. And then this winter we just haven't been on this side of Charlotte. So anyways. Oh, very cool. Look at that. Okay.
Two shells that look the same but attached then.
So was it 2 or 1? 2 shells or 1 shell?
2 shells.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So we're stuck together.
Yeah. What do you think, Mr. Power Ranger?
Dad.
So this would be the place to put in your paddleboard, Lucas. I didn't see where it landed. It was so far. So we got closer to the water and they can't fall off a rock here because it's just kind of entry right here. Marcus.
All the way over here.
What do you think, Abram?
But the big one was stuck together.
Hey, buddy. You gonna climb on that log? That tree? Whoa! That skipped like 15 feet. Slingshots are cool out here.
Now, shooting your brother with marbles, not as cool.
Not cool at all. Marcus, can I take a picture of you on the log? Are you gonna climb it, Abram?
I let's cut to the big old rock.
You want to get on this rock?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Do you think you can climb up there?
Yeah, and I just telling Lucas a legend about it.
You were telling Lucas a legend about this big rock?
A cat? It's a walking cat. It used to be a legend. A legend about big cheetah
Oh.
that has an invisible body.
What? An invisible cheetah? That's a crazy legend.
Yeah.
Yeah?
But
Do you guys want to throw a rock in the water? Or are you ready to go back to the car?
am I gonna climb mom or Ben?
This one.
Oh, Ben. Harry. Harry.
Sure. Then we gotta help Abram climb to the rock. That like made noise when it. Pew! Oh, you wanna climb?
Over the wall.
Oh man.
Do you like my bag over the wall?
Yeah.
Climbing.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, guys, it's a beautiful day. I think when you can get out here and just be not around anybody else, it's good. What, buddy?
This is a shortcut to the wall. I don't like shortcuts to the wall.
Good job.
The wall. Mommy, look.
What is it? Two shells that are matching? Do you know what that is? Yeah.
What?
If they're connected in the middle, it used to be closed up. And if it's closed up, it means it's alive. Yeah, Abram can see the clam. Let's just show him, Marcus. There's one over here.
A bag of old
There.
wall.
These are connected right there.
Huh?
It used to be alive. What do you think, buddy? You want to try to climb across that tree limb? That tree branch? You want to climb on the tree? And balance on it? I don't know. Yeah? Wow, Abram. Hey, buddy. Abram, look at Mama. Where's Abram?
Up here.
Margaret, come here. We're going to do this thing now.
Mama. I count.
You want to walk on it?
No.
No? Do you want me to help you?
Uh-huh.
Stand up on it. It's a great view from here, dear. Lucas, did you hear your brother? He said it's a great view from here.
Be careful, Marcus. When you flip off that rock, it's going to hurt a lot.
Marcus, don't slip off on that side. I can't see what's down there. Don't fall, buddy. Abram, are you the king of the world?
Uh-huh.
Say, I'm the king of the world.
I'm the king of the world.
Marcus.
All right, Abram. Oh my goodness. This rock that the kids are on. Oh, wow. Just kind of slides right down in there. Be careful. Lucas, I think Abram wants to come down with you guys. Oh, there you go. He's right behind you, bud. Now this is the way to socially distance yourself from people. This social distance is right here.
Oh no! Lucas, no, the water's gone. If all the water's going that way, it won't be all of the water could be.
Lucas, if you were stuck somewhere for the next month, where would you want to be stuck? Camp Barnhart?
Probably Camp Barnhart, yeah.
That'd be cool.
They like the food is amazing. No offense, Mom, but it's better than yours. They have a lot of fun things to do. They have a lake like this, and most of the time it's warm. So
Very cool, buddy.
I would totally go.
This is the way to do it. This is beautiful. It's like gorgeous out here. Do you love it, Abram?
Uh-huh.
Abram loves it out here. Abram's trying to push me straight down on this rock. You're good, Lucas. If you want to get it, you can. Do you guys want a pizza? Marcus, you're getting a lot of confidence there. Do you love this place, Marcus?
Yeah.
You want to come back next week?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you, Abram? You want to come back?
With Daddy.
With Daddy? Maybe. Daddy's got to work during the week.
What?
Guys, I can't say it enough today. It is beautiful out here. I think you might not appreciate things sometimes until they might be taken away from you. And it's really nice. Whoop, boop, boop. So, as long as we can, we will get out here probably once a week. We'll try to get to Reedy Creek once a week and all the other nature centers and parks that I've been to. There's about 10 walking trails that I would like to do if we can next week, if we're allowed to. So I'll just have to look into the rules and regulations and pack our lunch and not drive anywhere else and just, yeah, be out here.